From here, we're slowly looking forward, slowly bring our palms back towards our kneecaps, slowly sit up, and we're going to slowly sit down onto our buttocks, release our legs, and stretch our legs out, lie down onto your mat. We're going to bend our knees, hug our knees to our chest. If you can, grab opposite elbows and keep your sacrum, this spot here where you will hang your pants. Touch your sacrum and you will keep it down on the ground. Rocking gently left, rocking gently right. And slowly we're going to release our arms, place our arms beside us, soles of the feet on the ground. Keep a little distance between our buttocks and our heels, so our ankles are really directly just below the kneecaps, okay? Keep a hip width distance apart between your feet. We're going to take our palms to our belly. We're just going to inhale, drop both knees to the left side. Exhale, bringing it up back center. And inhale, dropping it to the right. Bringing it up slowly. Dropping it to the left gently. Keep breathing, move with your breath. Exhale, gently release to the right. Inhale, back center. Exhale to the left. Keeping your chest and your face still looking up towards the ceiling, only your legs are moving side to side. Doing a very gentle spinal twist. Twisting our spine. Feel the stretch maybe in your quads, maybe at the sides of your belly as we do this little gentle stretch. A few more rounds here. Exhale, going down. Inhale, coming up. Make sure your feet is just as it is, not moving the feet. Feet remain hip width distance apart, going side to side. Then one last round. Coming back center, hug our knees to our chest again, rocking a little left, rocking a little right. From here, we're going to come to happy baby pose, soles of the feet up in the air, elbows inside of your knees, grab the outer edge of your feet, keep the soles of your feet facing towards the ceiling, parallel to the ceiling. Allow your knees to drop close towards your armpit, going close to the floor. And again, try to keep your sacrum down. Don't round your back up. Keep your sacrum rolling down on the ground and keep your feet apart. Staying here a few breaths. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. And slowly and gently, we're going to release soles of the feet back down on the ground. This time, we're going to have to put our feet nicely on the ground. Lift our buttocks up gently, shift it to the left side. And we're going to drop both knees to the left side. And again, make sure you have 90 degrees between your body and your thighs. Between your thighs and your calves. So wiggle your feet such that you get 290 degrees at this corner here. And your right arm, you can stretch it up 90 degrees to your body. If you have more space, put the cactus arms, bending your elbows, making a 90-degree shape. Fingers pointing towards the top of your mat. Your left hand, you can rest it onto your own thighs, or you can point it up towards the top of your mat. And make sure both your kneecaps are stacked nicely onto each other. So shift yourself such that your knees can come directly above each other, stacking it up nicely. And your right shoulder, you want to gently just ground it onto the ground. If you're feeling tight in your shoulders, grab a cushion or something to rest your elbows on it. Do not force anything. Let it be a gentle stretch. Take a few breaths here. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and out. Gently, gently release ourselves. Come back center, soles of the feet on the ground. Again, shift our buttocks towards the left side. And drop both our knees over at the right side. Make sure you stack both your knees up nicely onto each other. Your knees are in balance directly above. And then the left hand either stretch out 90 degrees to your body or bend at your elbow, fingers pointing to the top of your mat. And again, 90 degree shape between your body and your thighs. And then another 90 degree shape between your thighs and your calves. So staying here. Your right hand, you can use it as an extra weight to hold your legs down. If it's coming too much on your lower back, then don't put your hand there. Put your hands either in cactus arms or stretch it up 90 degrees to your body. And again, reminder, make sure both your knees are stacked nicely against each other. It's not slightly away. If you feel too hard, grab a little pillow or yoga block, put it between your thighs over here, between both your thighs, and rest down again. Take a few breaths here, breathe slowly. Take your time to ground your left shoulder blades down onto the mat. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Slowly release ourselves, come back center. Bring your buttocks back center. One more time, hug our knees to our chest, rocking a little left, rocking a little right. And this time, I'd like you to lift your head up, take your head, your forehead close towards your kneecap, curling ourselves up into like a little ball. Taking a few breaths here, squeezing ourselves like a little ball. And gently release the top of the head, release the head back down to the ground. And slowly, we're going to stretch our legs out. Slowly release your legs, stretch it out. And take a towel to cover your eyes, allowing yourself to relax. Stretch your legs out, let your toes drop to the side. Keep your legs within the area of your yoga mat, don't open it up too wide. Keep it within your yoga mat, slightly open your feet apart, let your toes drop to the side. You take your palms beside your body, palms facing towards the ceiling. Roll your triceps closer towards your body, allowing your shoulders to open, to drop down. Palms facing the ceiling, extend the back of your neck, make sure your hair is not in the way. Gently stretch your arms a little bit lower down, allowing your shoulders to relax. Closing our eyes here. Take a few breaths, breathing in deeply into our lungs. Gently sigh it out from our mouths. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's do it 3 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then one last time. Hello. Start to take your normal breaths, breathing in and out through your nose, slowly and gently. With each breath that we take, start to relax one body part at a time. As we inhale, as we exhale, start to relax the top of our head. As we breathe in, and as we breathe out, start to relax our forehead, our cheeks, our eyelids, inside of our eyes. Start to relax our jaws, our gums, all the muscles we use to chew our food or to clench our teeth. Relax it all. Relax deep inside our mouths, our tonsils. With our exhale, start to relax the front of our neck. Relax the back of our head, back of our neck. As we breathe in, and as we breathe out, start to relax the top of our shoulders, our arms all the way to our fingertips. Relax it completely. As we breathe in and as we breathe out, start to relax our shoulder blades, between our shoulder blades, our middle back and our lower back. Relax it completely. As we breathe in and as we breathe out, consciously relax our collarbone, our chest, our belly. Slowly start to relax our hip joint, our buttocks, our groin area, and start to relax our front of our thighs, outer side of our thighs, the back of our thighs and our inner thigh. Completely relax. Start to relax our shins and our calves, our ankles and our heels, soles of our feet, and all our 10 toes. Completely relax. Allow our body to relax fully onto the yoga mat. Allow the floor to support us. Let all of our thoughts go and just be in our body. Being aware of our body. Breathing in and out slowly. I'm gonna stay quiet for a little while, letting you rest here. Be in your body, breathe slowly, and stay quietly. Resting your mind, resting your body.
We got it.
Left ear and left ear. Man, caught it here. Slowly breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath, inhale. Gently exhale. Start to wiggle our fingers. Start to wiggle our toes. Move our fingers, move our toes. Keeping our eyes still closed, gently taking our head up above our head. Taking our hands above our head, interlink our fingers, turn our palm facing away from us. Bring our feet closer together, inhale and point our toes, stretch our spine like we just woken up from bed. As we exhale, gently release the stretch, bend our knees, hug our knees to our chest one last time, rocking a little bit left, rocking a little bit right. Keeping our eyes still closed. Slowly, if you have a towel on your face, gently remove the towel, but keep your eyes still closed. Slowly release the hug in your arm. Stretch your right arm over your head. Drop both your knees down to the right side. Slipping onto your right arm like a pillow. Resting on your sides for 3 more breaths, keeping our eyes still closed. Breathing in, gently out, gently breathe in and out. One last breath. Slowly take your left palm in front of your face onto the ground. Take your forehead closer to the ground. With the help of your palm, gently from your side, slowly bring yourself back up sitting, facing anywhere convenient for you. Cross your legs, sitting up tall. Lengthen the back of your neck. Gently, gently blink your eyes open.